Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you first my BTST trade. Morning I closed that trade in a SL. So this was the trade and my analysis was on a daily time frame. It was near this, you can see this resistance. It was near this resistance area. Also 200 MA was there and this trend line. One resistance, second time resistance, so it is possible that third time it will come near this resistance and it will go down. So this was one reason. And on 1 hour chart, this was the area. So as you can see, there was inverted hammer candles were forming after this big green candle. These type of candles were forming, and you can see the volume was also above average. On 15 minutes, you can see it was trading in this triangle pattern, and M pattern was formed and it broke. Also this trend line was there, this trend line, so it also broke with this candle. So when it broke and retested this area, this area again, so I shorted there because I thought Apollo Hospital is continuously going up, so I thought it will retrace a bit, then it will again go up. So this was my analysis. But what happened in the morning, it made a indecision candle. First 15 minutes candle was indecision candle, and there itself my SL got triggered. So I think here my mistake was, you can see this is the breakout candle, but you can see there is no volume for this candle. I just I thought on 1 hour the inverted hammer candles volume was good, but still I should have checked for breakout candles volume. You can see the volume is very less compared to these volumes, this buyer's volume. So this is one thing. Also it broke below the trend line, but you can see there was no continuation pattern. Like it retested the area, but after that you can see the good volume, good wide range green candle was formed, and it started going up. So if it wants to go down, it will not hover in this area for a long time. It will retest that area and it will again continue the pattern, but it didn't happen. And one more thing is, Apollo Hospital was good in a good uptrend, so I should have just waited for more confirmation, because only this candle with this much of volume cannot do anything, cannot retrace that much. So we need a good volume breakout candle to be in a high probability trade. So this was my mistake. So after this trade, this was my BTST trade. So after this trade, I took one more intraday trade today. So that was in UPL. This was just practice. So I traded long in UPL. So as you can see, UPL was in this channel pattern. Also it broke this trend line. You can see this trend line it broke yesterday, and it broke this trend line and then again retested yesterday. Again this was the high which needs to be crossed, so it crossed by this candle in the morning. So I was waiting for some pattern to be formed so I can go long. So as you can see on 15 minutes, this triangle first. So as you can see on 5 minutes, the triangle pattern was forming, and this was the next resistance area. So after I was waiting for breakout, so here the breakout happened. So I wanted it to go above this high, above this candle's high. So here my limit order got triggered, and I kept 2.17 my risk to reward ratio. But what happened yesterday, also my target was missed by some points, very little point, 0.30 or something. So here you can see this candle missed my target. The high is 704. Here you can see the high. So this candle's high is 704, and my target is, here you can see 704.20. So 0.20. My target was missed by 0.20 here. So I thought I'll not do the same mistake like yesterday. So I was trading on 1 minute. So here I was. So this candle, hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, missed my target. So I thought, let's see. I waited for few minutes so it can reach 0.20. So, but you can see the red candle started forming again. It went up and again started making this inverted hammer candle. So I thought I'll close the trade on market, because I do not want to go in 1:1 again, because I already almost reached to 1:2. So I closed my trade at 704. So here my order got triggered and I hit target in this. I can say it hit target, because 0.20 points doesn't matter. So after that, you can see that was a good decision, because I learned from yesterday. So it was a good decision, because you can see after that it did not come near that area. So you can see it went down. It broke this triangle also. After that, as Nifty started, this was the area where I closed the trade. I thought this is the resistance area for Nifty. This was the resistance area for Nifty. That was a good decision. You can see after that UPL went down, and after this it again went up. So UPL also started going up. So these were my two trades for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.